Hi, lovely to have you here. Welcome to the Electro Revolution channel. My name is Michael and I'm a car and tech enthusiast. In today's episode, we're going to be going through specifically the Nav Maps and all the new features in the Nav Maps. This is the Nav Map after the OTA update. If you haven't watched the OTA update, you can watch episodes 1 to 4. But for now, I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you find it very informative. So let's now go through the navigation. Continue, allow. Now there's a lot there, and as you can see here, it's a Google search. So let's say I wanted to take a trip, for example, to Melbourne from Sydney. And that's all Google. Interesting. And notice here we've got planned charges. You need to add charges. Destination is out of reach, 845 kilometers. We do planned charges. And there we are. We've got 3 main charges. And it shows here Tesla charges. Now and one EV charger, which is pretty good. So you've got 2 Tesla chargers and 1 EV charger, and then we reach Melbourne, Victoria, with 10% battery left. Now, one of the things I understand is when I watched another video of this, it's possible that these 2 Tesla chargers are not open Tesla chargers, so they won't actually charge other cars other than Teslas. So that might be a problem, and it was proven in that video. So that might be a problem. You still need, even though this is great, you would still need to verify that the chargers themselves support other cars, not just Tesla cars. You've also got remove all charges and you've got to start the trip. So charges. It says here CCS Combo 2 and it's got the amenities. You can click Find Substitute and there we are. This is where you would automatically change the charges if you know that the Tesla charger, for example, isn't an open Tesla charger. You would then say, I would, let's say, go for the ChargeFox, for example, because that's got 3 out of 4 chargers currently open. And there we are, we have replaced that charger. Now if we go to this one, open 24 hours. Okay, you've got to click replace. So the next one here is Tesla in Holbrook. We'll click there. We'll say find substitute. And let's say we want the NRMA or EV. And we click replace. And there we are. I thought we replaced this first one. Find substitute. Let's say we do the ChargeFox. and click replace. Okay, it seems to, once you've replaced the first one, it seems to modify another one. Very, very weird. So it looks like the trip planner can still have some more work done to it. But still, it's not bad. It's much better than the other navigation system, the older model. So we can know about the destination. And what's also a benefit with the trip planner, it does do modifications automatically. If we go to settings, we've got the voice guidance, different types of maps, the 2D heads up, the 2D north up. I personally prefer the 3D. Show different information on the map. Auto zoom, intersection, avoid on routes, highways, toll roads. This is all fantastic information to have, especially when you're driving and want to avoid tolls. You've got map preferences, the safe places, the EV chargers, show them on the map, the parking show, food, coffee, shopping, show the speed limits, 3D landmarks, 3D buildings, the EV trip preferences. Now what this means is we get to select what sort of charging we want. Now of course with the BYD Seal, it's CCS Combo 2, there's no reason to change that. We can even select the charging networks that we want to display. So in this one, you can say select all, or you can select specific ones. Now, let's say for example, I wanted Charge Fox, I wanted to avoid Tesla, I wanted EV, I wanted Jolt, BP Pulse, NRMA. These are ones I've used regularly. And that's it. So now it should on the map, on the route destinations, it should actually only show me those ones. You can also select the charge status, charge level at destination, select the preferred charge level when arriving at the destination. In other words, I never want it under 20%. That's what that means. Auto adjust. Automatically add charging stations. Automatically add charging stations if destination is not reachable. You need to have internet connection to use this feature. That's fine. Alert preferences. Tollgate alerts, traffic event alerts, speed limit alerts. Now I'm happy with that. Let's try one more time. And let's see this time if it actually shows me Tesla charges. Plan charges. And there we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Now it's interesting, because of those settings, it's now saying I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 stops before I get to Melbourne. And that's specifically because charging 20 to 80%, 28 to 70%. And I'm sure there should be a way to say, let me arrive at the destination with this percentage as quick as possible. Or let me arrive at the destination knowing that I'm only going to have 40%. I'm sure you can play with this and set all that information up. Okay. Wow, it is a good system, isn't it? I don't know how it compares with other systems, but to me, the update is fantastic. And especially on long trips, like I'm going to Melbourne again soon, very soon. And actually, I might actually do a road trip video, I don't know. But anyway, the point is, I'll be going to Melbourne soon, so I'll be using the Seal. I'll be driving up there, and I'm sure I'll be making use of these Nav Maps during the trip. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment and share. It really all helps us. There may be another episode after this. If there is, stay tuned. If not, I'll see you on the next series. Bye for now.